Just a little update on the progress of the Camaro. I've been working on the radiators last couple of days. I've installed a electric fan, and a catch can right there. So I've got the electric fan installed, except for the wiring. Don't have it done yet. That's the last thing I do in a car is the wiring. I try to get everything done up to that point. But I put electric fan on and a catch can. Easy little project. Amazon buys, but a little bit of engineering involved. But at the end of the day, everything fits. Everything I've used out of my garage. Some small purchases. I had to buy the fan I think I got off of Amazon for $112 or $104, something like that. But the rest of the stuff I basically had in my garage, just making it all work. So that's it. Just a quick update about the Camaro and where I'm at. All right, if you like it, hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel. I don't do much on YouTube, but I try to give updates as I go along as I work on the Camaro.